In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your maximum download rate on Rockstar games. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so Rockstar allows you to set the bandwidth for your download speeds. To do this, log into your Rockstar account and then head to settings here. Under settings, go to updates. Now under updates, look for these throttle downloads, and here you're told to set maximum amount of bandwidth available to the Rockstar Games launcher for downloading games and launcher updates. If you check on this box, now you'll have an option to set your maximum download rate. Currently, you can see it is set to 1 megabytes per second, and you can change this to any size of bandwidth. For instance, I'll wish to set it to 50 megabytes per second. And by setting so, now you'll have set your maximum bandwidth limit. With this set on, your Rockstar Games app will not use bandwidth beyond the set or the maximum limit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.